Right, today we're in Luton Business Park cleaning approximately 900 to 1,000 square metres of paving walkway down to the fountain. Up to the fountain has been done, as you can see. They don't want us using any chemicals today, so all we're doing is using cold wash. We've got an irrigation system going into the tank, which is there, using a 24-inch rotor wash, which is just there. The area we're cleaning today has been cordoned off. You can see the difference there. Using 200 bar, 21 litres a minute, as you can see. There and there, the difference it makes, which these are very happy with it. And then up there is what was cleaned yesterday and re-sanded. See where the sanding is, and goes right all the way at the top there to that fountain. For more information on commercial cleaning, hot, cold and steam wash, please phone, email or check website www.pwsclean.co.uk or email info@pwsclean.co.uk. Otherwise, numbers are on the van. Please call for chewing gum removal, fly post removal, graffiti removal, paving, floor cleaning, street cleaning.